everyone. Today we will discuss the new topic of the same chapter, that is garbage in and garbage out, part 2, where we have to study composting. So basically I can say composting is the rotted plants and animals waste used as a manure for growing plant is called compost. Compost is a natural fertilizer. Basically I can say that the waste products of plants or animals used as a manure for the better growing of plants is called compost, and that is a natural fertilizer. The process of converting plant and animal waste material into manure for growing plant is called composting. The biodegradable domestic garbage such as fruits and vegetable peels, leftover food and fallen leaves can be disposed by converting it compost, which is used as a manure. So basically the degradable which can be decomposed in a soil, that can be converted into compost, which is used as a manure. So you can see in this picture, that is, this is the onion leaves, potato peels, carrot peels and all. So this that should be put in a soil to make the good quality of a soil. Now come to the next point. One is vermicomposting. What do you mean by vermicomposting? The method of making compost from the kitchen waste by using earthworm is called vermicomposting. So the main difference between the composting and vermicomposting, here you can use the red worm to make the good quality of soil. Red worm, what is the role of red worm? So red worm are kinds of worm, earthworm. The red worm have a remarkable ability to convert the plant's matter such as fruits, vegetables, peas into the quality called vermicomposting. Note, the most important thing is that only the garbage containing plants and animal waste can be converted into the vermicompost by red worm. Red worm which are used in vermicompost, this you can see red worm is present in the soil to help to make the good quality of the soil. The next point is why vermicomposting is much better than chemical fertilizer. The question will ask why vermicompost is much better than the main thing is that vermicompost is quite cheaper, whereas the chemical fertilizer is expensive. So I can say कि जो वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग होगा वो उसकी जो वो वेरी लेस प्राइस में होगा, यू कैन इजीली अफोर्ड, वेयर एज अ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर इज टेक्स लॉट ऑफ मनी. दिस इज अ नेचुरल एंड डज नॉट हार्म द सॉइल, बट केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर क्या होते हैं, इट विल हार्म द क्वालिटी ऑफ सॉइल. Recycle. The next point is the next method to disposal the waste are recycle. So what we have to do in recycle में basically we just in recycling we can say the recycling means that we should collect and separate the used and discarded item made of paper, plastic, glass, metals and send them to respective industry for making fresh paper, plastic, glass and metal objects. So basically I can say in recycling we have to collect and separate the waste material and send it to respective industries. The next one is, in order to recycle used and discarded material, we should first separate our household garbage properly so that waste material which can be recycled do not come along with the other household garbage which is to be thrown. So you can see in this picture, if you want, this is a paper. Okay, now I'm going to convert it in a newspaper. Now the newspaper is a waste material you can easily throw. Now these thrown waste material you have to send it in an industry. So this is industry will manufacture or produce or recycle it, the same thing. So that is called recycling. Thank you so much for today. We will continue tomorrow.